Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Solar Tech. I must say, it is nice to be back fully healthy after suffering a bout of hay fever and heavy migraine, which ruined me for days. And I would not wish it on my worst enemy. This is also proof, behind the front facade of making videos, there is a human being taking the knocks too. Anyway, for today's episode, I want to conduct a simple sound test on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra versus the Sony Xperia 1 Mark II, because they both have good speakers and it will be a travesty not to put them against each other. There is no right or wrong with this sound test, merely for you to decide which you prefer. I thought it would be a great idea to show you the speaker setup on both phones, starting with the Sony Xperia 1 Mark II on my right, followed by the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra to my left. Okay. With the Sony Xperia 1 Mark II, it has speakers on the top and bottom bezels, which I'll show you very shortly. So if you can see this section here, that's where one of the speakers is located at the top there, and at the bottom the other speaker is located in this elongated section here. And what I like about the placement of the speakers is if you're gaming or you are watching content in this format, the chances of you covering the speakers are slim to none. And also because they are front facing, it means that the sound travels in all directions. So hopefully you'll be able to capture that from the sound test. Okay, then moving along to the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So the main speaker is this grilled section here, and sound is also emitted from this hole here, which is also the earpiece. So that would be really interesting to hear the sound output from this hole. The other thing to note with the main speaker on this Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is that, again, if you're playing games or watching content, there is a tendency that you will cover it. So just something to bear in mind. I mean, it's just sort of make minor adjustments with your finger. Okay. The sound test will be very simple and conducted in a controlled environment to get the best effect. I will use copyright-free music and Dolby Atmos will be turned on for both phones. So let's get cracking. So what are your thoughts on the sound test? Again, there is no winner or loser here, just a great opportunity to test two good mobile speakers against each other, especially as owners of each brand claim theirs is the best. I do like the speakers on both devices, but if I had to choose, I would tip the balance in favor of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark II for the simple fact that it has stereo speakers which are front facing and billows out sound from all angles, which is amazing. I am happy for you to disagree with me. That is what sparks healthy debate. So just to sign off, if you have enjoyed this video, a subscribe to the channel below would be fabulous, and it is free to do. A like would also be stupendous. Anyway, my name is Shola. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.